Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we are taking a walking tour in one of the most famous town of the Turkish Riviera, which is known as Bodrum. Bodrum is a city on the Bodrum Peninsula, stretching from Turkey's southwest coast into the Aegean Sea. The city features twin bays with views of Bodrum Castle. This medieval fortress was built partially with stones from the Mausoleum at the Halicarnassus, which was one of the 7th wonders of the ancient world, which was completed in 4th century BC. The city is also a getaway to nearby beach towns and resorts. Bodrum is a fascinating place as it has a pleasing contrast between the ancient city, where there is visible fragments everywhere in the town, and a playground for rich Turks and foreign visitors. It is one of the centers of the Turkish tourist industry and is the market town for the Bodrum Peninsula, which consists of a number of towns and villages nestling on the edge of the coastline. Until the 1960s, the town was a fishing village, which changed when a number of Turkish intellectuals gathered and wrote about Bodrum. Most notable of these was Seyyed Sekir, who wrote The Fisherman of Halicarnassus, an Oxford-educated Turk who devoted his time to writing and planting numerous plants and trees which continue to dot the landscape of the town. His book The Blue Voyage, describing gullet trips around the Turkish coast, descriptions of the astoundingly clear blue seas of the Aegean Sea, and the delights of the trip around the coast adjacent to Bodrum inspired a whole generation who have come to emulate his trips. Bodrum has therefore grown a sailing destination, and thanks to its warm but not humid climate has become a top destination for its visitors, who enjoy the combination of the ancient past together with all the usual tourist paraphernalia. There are large numbers of shops, restaurants, from humble cafes to exquisite Turkish cuisine served by an array of waiting staff. This video mainly revolves around the Marina and the yacht club, which is famous for its existence. As you can see, there are a number of yachts parked here all the year round. Here life is a little more sedate, with shops catering mainly to those who have stepped off their boats, expensive markets with proper wine and olive oil. There are a number of nice restaurants if you look hard enough, and some good clothing shops. Like all resorts, being directly on the seafront increases the prices. There are many cultural events, notably the Ballet Festival in August, a wide range of pop concerts at the castle of the amphitheater, which has been restored in the last few years, have been built since some 2000 years ago. So let's get back to our video and continue with our tour. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment down below. So as I will be uploading more videos from the Turkish holiday. Thank you.